All right, I'm back here another day. So today I will put back the airbag inside and the headliner. Little quick, no more talking. Let's go. Moment of truth. Let's pray that everything work. I put all the airbag back in. I just need to connect it. So now I put the new battery. Okay, put the new battery in, and I'm about to do the first start. I have my computer ready to reprogram everything. So let's get it and let's see what's gonna happen. Let me take the camera down there. Woo, woo, woo. Woo. Oh. Okay, the car starts. It starts. I don't see no issue. It starts very well. It sounds good. Yeah. 86,000 miles. Let me rev it. Next oil change is due. So all right, it start. Let me turn off and try to start it again. Okay. Put the key. The car start. So I was just going to read the code and try to delete everything that need to be deleted. Okay, I will come back with you. So I don't know if you have heated seat. I don't know, but yeah, that's a nice looking car. But I don't know why the radio is not working. Maybe because I disconnect everything. Yeah, but when I connect here, yeah, you see it went back. But that's not an issue. Okay, we figure out. Now we check any check engine light to see what's going on. Okay, so no check engine light. Transmission, rate code, stock code. Okay, pending. Okay. Now let's go read the Airbag, America, Ford. I know that's a 2018. Okay, so I know all the codes, so let's go back to work. All right, we're done for today. So, about to go home. Alright guys, it's time to go home. So today we did a great job. We replaced all the curtain inside. So next time we'll be working in the exterior, replace the tie rod head, and do more content for you guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.